want to do, okay, so this is up, down, and then it moves your, that moves your camera, your nose of your, this forward, backwards, side. To take off, you press that button.
Wow! Oh, I'm not even facing the right direction. Wait a second. How do I do that again? I gotta keep it maintained at one level or no? Am I recording it?
No.
Oh. Now what?
I'm scared if I take it off, it's gonna...
How do I go, like, move? So now the front...
Why do I keep going up?
I don't know.
How is it?
It's terrifying, honestly. This is an expensive little piece of machinery, and I'm in control of it. And it really, I mean, it's probably better with your phone because you don't have to keep your neck like this. Wait a second. What are my controls again? Okay, you take it. Okay, wait, how do I land? Now I gotta learn how to land.
Come back.
Wait, how do I come back? Oh, no, this way.
Get the blinking light.
Towards the other way?
Yeah.
The dang bugs. Well, when they're eating away at my face. But now that I'm... There we go. Oh, forget it. Oh my God. Okay, here we go. There we go. I got this. Oh my God. Here we go. Coming home. I've seen... I've seen some of them have like home. Like you can just press home and they... Oh, it is. Is that what that is? Can I press it?
It's only a big lock.
Oh.
Bring it home.
Okay, now what? Okay, here I go. Landing. Wait, I'll land at the helipad. Wait a second.
Faster.
That's as fast as it goes.
Now come forward.
Am I going in the right direction? Yeah. Whoa, whoa, whoa. I'm going near those trees. Sarah, are you getting this? This is good stuff. I'm good.
Yeah, I'm getting it.
Come down. Closer.
I don't have to. I'm gonna get Cody. I like how it does that. It's hard to like figure out which way is like right and left. I'm just getting it. I'm doing it so Cody can do it. So once I do it, how do I?
It's not the helipad. Get it over on the helipad.
Really? Back up. Beep, 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 beep.
Get down as far as you can.
Yeah.
And then once you get as far as you can, you hit that. Keep going down. See how it makes you go back up? And now you want to kill it.
Oh God.
So you want to be on the thing.
I nailed that, I'll tell you that much. Okay.